Poor acting, Brad. Hihinga-hinga ka pa dyan, gago. Sabi, natawa ako eh. Ma'am Annalyn, shout out. Doon sa iba, pasensya na talaga, hindi ako makakita eh. 101, like watching here in Kuwait.
In a couple of weeks, we are just trying to keep ourselves safe. In the past few days, I know that I have posted a couple of weeks ago that we were supposed to do a live interview with Mr. T. That's the code name of Mr. Tubig. That's the name that we have actually agreed upon.
Mr. T? Mr. Tubig? Utot mo! Bakla! Sabi ni Boss Den sa bulo. Huwag ganoon.
Sana sa live interview namin. We have made a lot of changes because he's made a lot of changes in his terms and conditions as well on how to do the logistics with the interview and what's been happening this couple.
Ayan, sayang ang tato, Brad. Obviously, naman na fake. More yon ginawa lang para lang siraan o mamesya.
Days that actually dropped the bomb on how to
2026 na yung resolution ng video pang 70s pa. Oo nga eh.
move forward kasi po a couple of weeks ago before Mr. T actually arrived here, when we started talking about the possibility of doing a live interview, tell all on what had happened on one of the sex parties that, you know, Liza Tanasan Bangag had actually done.
Kita mo mga pinagsasabi, no?
And we were lucky enough to have gotten in touch with one of the attendees of those parties. And yun na nga, gusto sana namin mag-live interview, pero when I told him about the break-in na nangyari before he arrived here in Los Angeles, I'm going to show you the picture.
So there's an attendee. May attendance. So parang ganon. So sex party daw. Tapos may attendance. Kasi may attendee. So may attendance. So check. Very good. Very, very good.
Someone had actually broken into the penthouse unit. And
yun, may ano pa. Penthouse unit ang putya. Ulul! May picture pa nung pag-breakout. May nakuhanan pa ng picture eh. Ay may pinakita pa eh. Putya, grabe, no, grabe. Alam nyo, kawawa kayong mga DDS na naniniwala rito. DDS, utatluga. DDS, tanga-tanga. Miren nyo, may picture pa nung...
the sex parties that, you know, Liza Tanasan Bangag had actually done. And we were lucky enough to...
maniwala kayo sa hindi. Pag ito nakita ko, siya kung saan,
have gotten in touch with
kakaltukan ko ito.
one of the attendees of those parties. And yun na nga, gusto sana namin mag-live interview, pero when I told him about the break-in na nangyari,
Break-in, okay.
before he arrived here in
May preba ka ba? May preba ka ng break-in yan.
Los Angeles, I'm going to show you the picture.
May picture ng break-in eh, oh. Doon pa sa pinto, penthouse. Hindi ko alam, ha. Gaya. Ang penthouse sa US. Ganyan ang penthouse sa US. Tingnan nga natin yan. Tingnan ko nga. Tingnan ko kung penthouse talaga yan. Ang penthouse yan. Napakasikip pa. Ay, hindi nyo pala nakikita, no? Pakita natin. Baka sabihin nyo. Yung picture ng ano niya, penthouse daw niya, ewan ko puta, parang sa akin, parang basuran lang to eh. Hindi, puwera pintas Kasi pag sinabing penthouse, di ba? Primera klase, maluwang. Tapos yung penthouse niya may ceiling fan. May ceiling fan. Hindi ko alam. Hindi ko alam kung binago na definition ng penthouse. Ano na yan? May break-in sa penthouse pa eh, no? Ayop na yan, no? Hindi ganyan ang penthouse. Kapag bukas mo ng pinto, yung sala na eh. Tapos sa sala, may console. Doon sa ilalim ng console, may beanbag. Ang ngayong penthouse yan, no? Ayop na, mapapamura ka na lang bigla eh. Gagong yan, no? Mapapamura ka na lang eh. Ayan, liwanagan pa natin ng konti ha. May nag-break-in ng umaga. Ano ba naman yan, brother? Umaga yan ah. So picture daw yan ng break-in. Hindi ko alam kung siya yan. Hindi naman siya yan. Hindi kalbo. Kitang-kita umaga yan eh. Pero ano ha? ChatGPT. Ang image na yan. Pwede ba? Pwedeng gano'n, no? Sige nga, ChatGPT. Yan na, papakita ko lang ha. Yung kung ano sabi ni ChatGPT ha, guys ha. Hindi ko alam ha, hindi ko pa binabasa. Pero pakita ko para at least ano ha, para honest tayo. Baka mamaya, hindi ko pa rin nabasa. So, eto sabi ko kay ChatGPT. Sabi ko, hello bro ChatGPT. Bro, can you check if this picture is a penthouse in US? Sure. Please upload the picture. So, ganun na nga ginawa natin. Upload natin. Bro, I'll be straight with you. From this photo alone, there's no strong indication that this is a penthouse and nothing that clearly proves it is in the US either. Sasantaan na lang daw to. Here's why. What the photo shows. Interior looks like a normal residential apartment or condo. Standard ceiling height doesn't look extra high like most penthouse. Tama. Kasi sa penthouse, since yun yung last na pwede tayong lumagpas doon ng 3.5. Dito nga yung regular lang dito, 3.5 eh. Ito mukhang ano lang to eh. Pagkatapos ng 2 meters, 2.1, ceiling na. Mga wala pang 3 meters yung height ng nito, ceiling nito. Boss Joel, nandiyan ba si Ma'am Chaicher? Nandiyan. Shoutout, hindi ako makapagbasa, bulag tayo eh. No skyline, city view, no terrace, no balcony, or baka naman, ikaw naman ChatGPT, baka nandun sa kabila yung mga hinahanap mo. No visible floor-to-ceiling window. Yon, isa sa mga katangian. Kasi nasabi, floor-to-ceiling na window. Brad. Very high ceiling. What penthouse usually have? Very high ceiling. Usually nga yung penthouse eh. Yung, kunyari, tong building namin, luma na, 10 years old. More than 10 years old na yung building dito. Pero yung penthouse na to, may mezzanine. Hindi man mezzanine dahil high ceiling siya, may loft. Ma'am Annalyn. Wala lang to. Mid-floor apartment lang to. Kasi Tsaka, guys, ito, umaga to eh. Please lang, umaga to. Alam niyo kung bakit umaga? Tingnan niyo. Tingnan ko nga yung original. Guys, may nag-break-in daw. Usually, pwede naman. Siguro kung palulusutan niya tayo. Diba? Kung ang break-in na sinasabi niya is gabi. Diba? Or nangyari yung break-in ng umaga. Niliwanagan, madilim. Liwanagan, madilim. So, umaga to ha. Nag-break-in doon, umaga. Wala naman siya sinabi kung kailan nangyari. Pero, malamang sa malamang, pag break-in kasi, di ba? Break-in dapat gabi. Oh, penthouse sa rooftop. Hindi, yun kasi usually yung last na floor eh, di ba?
Someone had actually broken into the penthouse unit, and nireport na namin ito sa police. It
Ulit.
happened on one of the sex parties that, you know, Lisa Tanas and Bangag had actually done. And we were lucky enough to have gotten in touch with one of the attendees of those parties. And yun na nga, gusto sana namin mag-live interview, pero when I told him about
Ingat mo kay ChatGPT ang picture. Malocate mo kung saan yung galing.
the break-in na nangyari before he arrived here in Los Angeles, I'm going to show you the picture. Someone had actually broken into the penthouse unit, and nireport na namin ito sa police, and
One of the penthouse unit? So, dalawa penthouse unit mo dyan. Okay, sige. Pucha, hype na to.
we have already reported to the landlord, but we have not actually linked it to what's been happening and of course what I've been doing on the internet as well, because we really don't want that kind of attention for now. But we have already reported.
You don't want attention? Sinungaling. Ayaw pala ng attention nito eh. No? Ayaw ng attention.
To the police, and yun na nga, medyo natakot siya, and only recently in the past few weeks that we've been trying to figure out the logistics of the interview that we were supposed to do. Mr. T had actually realized that the thing that we are doing is really heavy.
Wow, man, bigat. Heavy. Ang dami mong pautot. Heavy ka pa dyan. Ay, wait lang. Asa si Ate Tiger Eyes? Kanina ko pa di napapansin ha.
Yung una, akala lang talaga niya na, okay, yeah, we're going to do an interview.
Penthouse nga daw to. Tita May Dongso ka dyan. Sabi niya, one of the penthouse units? So, ibig sabihin, more than one yung penthouse niya. Oh, ayan, oh, hindi mo nakita, Tita May. Ayan, oh, penthouse. Oh. Merong break-in. There was a break-in in the one of the penthouse unit, and I'm gonna show you the pictures later here. Sabi ko. Ayan daw yun. So, niliwanagan ko lang. Pag madilim, yan. Pag maliwanag na, yan. Oh. So, may nag-break-in ng umaga. Huwag mo kami lokohin, banat ba? Ikaw yan eh. Sabi. Oh.
Interview, and then that's it. When we were talking about the logistics, and yun na nga, parang na-realize niya na ang bigat po talaga ng gagawin namin. There's going to be a lot that will be placed on the line.
Paano niya, wala pang interview, hindi niya alam kung paano, biglang, so, he was feeling na mabigat kagad, ganun, wala pa namang.
Not only for me, but for him as well, especially, kasi he's the one who's actually going to tell everything, and he, of course, signed an NDA, a non-disclosure agreement, before he actually went to one of these sex parties. And you know,
Pumirma daw. Ngayon, kasi sasabihin, meron ka bang preba? Oh, meron siyang non-disclosure agreement. Pero pwede mag-picture. Pwede mag-video. Pero may non-disclosure agreement. I can check if there's a break-in. Just need to know the correct place. Kala ni Tuntok mula to. Tingnan nga natin, tanong natin. Baka alam ni ChatGPT kung saan yung lugar na yan. Bro, I don't have any reliable way to pinpoint the real world location. Why I can't locate it? There are no visible landmarks. Maybe you can compare it with other pictures. Maybe you can browse your location. Maybe you can browse your database for a similar picture. Hindi niya maano, Tita May. hindi niya raw malolocate. Wala raw siyang
Na
idea.
takot na takot siya. And he got paid, of course, pero yun na nga, na-realize niya na he will be putting his life on the line, not only his life, but actually
So, ibig sabihin, no? Meron mag-a-attend, makikita mo doon, so may attendance. So, recent lang to. Kung posible naman nung ano yan, di ba? So, ngayon lang yan. Ngayon lang yan nangyari. Di ba? Kasi nakita niyo may edad na si PBBM doon. Di ba? Yung kaninang pinakitang picture or no video, I think that's the oldest no na state ng itsura ni PBBM. 'Di ba? Yan yun eh. Oh. Yan yung pinakamatandang itsura ni PBBM. 'Di ba? So we can all assume na very recent 'yan. 'Di ba? Hindi pa sa tingin ko nga future to ni PBBM eh. Hindi ko sinasabing kasi mas matanda to kaysa kay PBBM ngayon. Kung si PBBM, ilang taon na si PBBM ngayon? 'Di ba? How old is PBBM? '68. Oh. Etong picture ni PBBM na yan, siguro mga ano na to, 85. Ha? 85 years old na siya rito. So, ang gusto ko lang i-point, recent lang siya na nangyari. Oh. So, at the age of 68, putya saan ka nakakita ng... Kunyari may movie na ano, yung gangster o kaya mafia. Tapos, biruin mo, kulukulubot ka na. Tapos nakikipagdalihan ka pa ng kung ano-ano. Tapos putya, grabe kadiri yun. Di ba? Paano mo papanoorin yun? So, umaten pa, pumunta pa ron para... Ma'am Zara, hindi ko talaga mabasa ha. May pa-cross ka pang nalalaman ha. O, di ba no? Iyak ka na!
actually his family's life on the line as well. And it had gotten so heavy until mas na-realize niya na nakakatakot na pala talaga itong ginagawa namin, because last Tuesday, someone had again broken into our unit, our penthouse unit. Luckily, we weren't there in the unit because we were actually visiting his friends, because aside from the interview, we were enjoying some company, and I have met some of his friends in West Hollywood. Yun na nga po, we were so lucky that we weren't there at the...
Ano yung mga katang-isip nila eh, no? So, alam nyo, gusto niyang sabihin na siguro medyo alta de ciudad din siya. Kasi parang ganyan itsura mo, kakalbo-kalbo. Mukha kang dugyutin din. Tapos kulay ng balat mo mukhang dark chocolate. Parang ang hirap kasi, sa bagay, si Chubby Chingson, yaman nga no, mukhang tae lang eh. Oh. Pero ito, tama yung background mo ha. Alam mo, kailangan niya kasing, para meron talaga siyang access, di ba? Kailangan mong, may mga layers kasi, di ba? Na kailangan mo akyatin eh. For you to be able to reach yung circles of friends nila PBBM. Kasi, alam nyo, ito yung mga mayayaman ha. Oh, mayayaman. Tapos yung mga mayayaman sa Pinas, tapos pinakamayayaman sa Pinas, sila PBBM, nandiyan pa yan. So ngayon, kailangan mo magpakita ng penthouse na medyo dugyutin. Tapos nasa US ka para to prove na pwede kang lumibel. Na meron kang, in some way, meron kang access dun sa status na yun. So, yun nga, kaya lang Brad, tama yung background mo. Kung i-judge kita dyan, kahit sabihin mo pa, don't judge the book by its cover, ang daming book dyan sa likod mo. Kita mo meron ka pang Tupperware dyan sa likod mo. Ano ba yan? Mukhang yung Tupperware mo yung lagayan ng ice cream. Yan ba? Yan ba may penthouse?
Unit, and we reported it again, of course, to the landlord and the police. And only recently,
Ano yung mga libro mo? Pati libro no? Pati libro, titingnan natin yan. Mamaya na.
as what Maharlik had actually said, I told her about this, and she gave us some tips on how to report it to the FBI, and we have talked about it with Mr. T. As a matter of fact, I have discussed with him the possibility of meeting up with Maharlika because we really don't know how to move forward after this whole situation.
Putsang ina. Acting na acting ang putya. Acting na. Wensi Corneo, di mo kami mapag... Ang mo, Wensi, di mo kami malilin lang. Nagpakalbo ka pa, ha?
Situation kasi may pinatay po.
I-check ang libro, ha? Buti Tupperware, hindi lagayan ng ice cream. Hindi nga Tupperware, lagayan ng ice cream, eh. Ewan ko kung ano nilalagay niya dyan. Dugyot ang putya. Joke lang dyan. Walang masabi. Tingnan natin, ha? Wensi Corneo, di mo kami paglilinlangan. Ulol, FBI your ass. Ask you to meet me at the Beverly Hills Police Station. You blocked me. Asshole. Totoo ba? Gago ka, ha? Kita mo, hinamon ka pala ng Tita May ko, eh. Wala ka. Tay-tay ka. No, Tita May? Saan yung ano natin? Meron na tayong pandarna. Yan natin mga... kita mo, Tupperware mo, peke. Pucha, Selecta. Hayop ka. Hindi ko mabasa, eh. Wala, hindi siya hindi rin malinaw. Tuloy.
Sa building namin, may na-murder po sa building po namin, and the person...
May na-murder? Oy, ba't mo raw binlock si Tita May? Sasamahan ka nga nito si FBI, eh.
that got murdered is an Asian person, is an Asian guy who looks exactly like me.
What a coincidence! Pucha, may namatay daw sa building nila. Nilooban sila, tapos may namatay din daw sa building nila. Gago tong taong to, sabi dito. Pucha. May namatay daw, Asian, kamukha niya, kalbo, tas may bigote. Ang dami mong kamukha, Brad. Kasi...
And only recently, as what Maharlik had actually said, I told her about this, and she gave us some tips on how to report.
Kamukha mo rin si Magalong. Pero kamukha niya rin si Kuya Spencer, no? Lakali.
to the FBI, and we have talked about it with Mr. T. As a matter of fact, I have discussed with him the possibility of meeting up with Maharlika because we really don't know how to move forward after this whole situation.
Si Banat Bay din to. Si Dada, kamukha mo rin. Si Kuya Nino.
Kasi may pinatay po sa building namin.
Kamukha mo rin si Sas.
May na-murder po sa
May na-murder, ha? May na-murder. Generic yung mukha niya eh.
building po namin, and the person that got murdered is an Asian person.
Asian person?
Is an Asian guy who looks exactly like me.
Looks exactly hindi hindi lang basta-basta kamukha. Exactly. Sigurado ka? Sure? Sure ha? Halo-halo ng DDS. Maglalong plus Banat Bay. Mixture. Baka si Eric Celis din.
Kalbo, may bigote, and do we believe that
May naisip ako. Kalbo, may bigote. Dilawan ba yan? Hindi si Secretary Llamas sinasabi ko. Sige.
that is a mistaken identity? Absolutely. We absolutely do think that it was a mistaken identity. Baka akala nila
So meron siyang kapitbahay na Asian, kamukhang-kamukha niya. What a coincidence. I think not! Tangin ng kwento yan. Hayop na yan. Bakit na wala maniniwala dyan?
ako yun. I'm sorry, I'm really shaken up. And we are actively
Pucha, iba na. OMG, do you guys want to come over for a couple of days? I have the library clear. Sending hugs. Okay. So iba to, iba.
I'm trying to find a temporary place to stay for the time being while we're trying to figure out on how to move or where
Masyadong effort yung, masyado siyang effort to justify. Is this Yes, it is. Marathon indeed.
to move. As a matter of fact, we really don't know. For now, Mr. T is really scared, and
Masyado siyang effort, to prove na totoo yung mga sinasabi niya. Di ba, Ma'am Chaicher?
yun na nga po. Nireport na namin sa FBI, the forensics were there, and it was
Totoo ba ito, Tita May? Forensic was there. They have reported it to the MVI that the super duper prime location of his penthouse was there was a break-in in his super duper nice penthouse in the United States of America. So he was just assuming the logistics of the meeting that is going to happen. It was early in the morning, broad daylight. There was a break-in in my penthouse. I don't know why did they call it the penthouse if there's no security downstairs.
ruled as burglary, pero ang nakakatakot nga po kasi last Tuesday wala naman pong nawala sa building po namin, sa unit po namin wala pong nawala.
So it's not a burglary. Oh my God. They just break into that. They want to kill. And to prove you guys, there's already an Asian guy that looks exactly like me. Same shape of the nose. He also got same glasses as I have. And then, the atchaka here, it's very the same. And, the shape is, my head shape is very extraordinary, but we have the same. He also has this, the pendant, the gold pendant that I'm having. if you see us together, we're like twins. So I do believe it's a mistaken identity. Oh my God. Oh. Baka wanted na to.
And so, sa room din po nung pinatay po, wala pa lang po sa room niya. It was just plain murder.
So it was just murder. So this only proves my theory, no? Because my theory is that it's a mistaken identity since dun sa my penthouse, there was nothing stolen, no? On my penthouse, they did it in a broad daylight. And wala pong nawala. And then, so, most probably, they break in there to, I don't know, maybe to eat. They're hungry like that. And they see the water. And yeah, that's it. So, they drink the water, then they leave already. There's no really robbery.
But they said that it was probably burglary, so...
There's no burglary. Okay? You don't look like Asian, Sadiq. I look like Afghan.
We really wanted to... Maharlika actually told us to tell the FBI what's going on, but Mr. T, he doesn't want to do anything with a murder case, and as a matter of fact, takot po siya sa mga...
Bakit naman ma-involve yung Mr. T? Eh, bisita lang siya dyan. Tapos sabi mo, hindi pa nakakabata. Sabi niya, paano ba? Nakapunta na ba?
nangyayari these past few days. And yeah, that's what's been happening. For now, we are safe, but it's...
Girl, nagsisinungaling ka. Alam nyo kasi yung pattern ng pinag-aralan namin yan eh. No? Dun sa, mga body movement, body language, pinag-aaralan namin yan, no, sa police. Kaya, I can see, no, na yung pattern nung pag-breathe niya, no, kahit nagpapanggap siya na nag-exhale siya, it's all wrong, no? You can see. No, nung oversight head ako ng Tukhang, I was studying the movement, ganon, parang, yun, ganon. Tinan yung pagbuntong hininga niya.
He doesn't want to do anything with a murder case, and as a matter of fact, takot po siya sa mga nangyayari these past few days. And yeah.
Takot na takot, pero animal mag-post sa Facebook itong mga...
That's what's been happening. For now,
ang audience niya kasi, hindi naman mga taga-US taga-Pinas.
We are safe, but it's...
Nakita niyo yung pattern? Sablay. Poor acting.
It's a lot.
2 beses no? Tas nag-pump, mali na naman.
A lot has been happening po, lalo na po nung pagkamatay ni Miss Cabral. We think that they are really trying to do a major clean-up po sa image ni Bangag, ni Satanas.
Ano ba talaga? Pinatay? Sabi niyo, buhay pa? Sabi tinalon.
What we can do for now is I'm going to show you a couple of clips from the interview. I will be changing Mr. T's voice in the interview as well as he requested. Just a couple of clips from a couple of questions that I have thrown in the director's cut, which he has already approved as well. So yeah. This is the kind of government that we are dealing with.
Wala no? And then, tas isa pa, hindi mo ma-feel Okay, Ma'am Kat, Lady Dior, shout out. Mag-lunch muna ako, guys.
And I hope everyone realizes that.
Boss Jax.
They are trying to silence people who are trying to speak against their evil doing, and
Ang dami mong nagsasabi. Si Mike Defensor, animal, di ba? Oh. Si Cathy Binag, nandyan sa Pinas. Di ba? Grabe bintang, di ba? Pero wala. Pucha, si Macanas. Oh, di ba? Si General Moranas. Oh. Si Dado na frustrated general. Animal magsalita. Si Celis, lalong mas animal. Oh, pa-animal ng pa-animal. Si Meow Meow, grabing ka-animal. Si Libiste, oh, tamo, kupal. Lahat naman kayo kupal eh.